Houston homeowners know all too well how challenging the climate can be. Long summers, intense heat, high humidity, and sudden storms make energy efficiency more than just a buzzword, it's a necessity. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make to improve indoor comfort and reduce energy costs is installing casement windows. Designed for performance and practicality, casement windows are especially well suited for Houston residences. A tighter seal against Houston heat casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward using a crank mechanism. This design allows the window sash to press firmly against the frame when closed, creating a tight, weather-resistant seal. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which rely on overlapping tracks, casement windows compress directly into the frame. For Houston homes, this tighter seal makes a noticeable difference. It helps prevent hot outdoor air from seeping inside during summer and keeps cooled indoor air from escaping. The result is a more stable indoor temperature and less strain on your air conditioning system, something every Houston homeowner can appreciate during triple-digit heat days. Improved airflow without sacrificing efficiency. Ventilation is important, but in Houston's humid climate, uncontrolled airflow can work against energy efficiency. Casement windows offer the best of both worlds. When opened, they act like a sail, catching passing breezes and directing fresh air into your home. This allows you to naturally cool your space during milder weather without relying entirely on your HVAC system. When closed, the same design that enhances airflow ensures minimal air leakage. This flexibility makes casement windows ideal for Houston homeowners who want to balance comfort, ventilation, and energy savings year-round. Maximizing natural light while reducing heat gain. Casement windows typically feature larger panes of glass with minimal framing, allowing more natural light to enter your home. In Houston residences, this can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering electricity usage. When paired with energy-efficient glass options such as low-E coatings or double-pane insulation, casement windows help control solar heat gain. This means you get the benefits of natural sunlight without turning your living space into a greenhouse. Your home stays brighter, cooler, and more comfortable, even during peak summer months. Lower energy bills over time because casement windows reduce air leakage and help regulate indoor temperatures. Your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. Over time, this improved efficiency can lead to noticeable savings on monthly energy bills. For Houston homeowners who run their air conditioning for much of the year, even small efficiency gains add up. Casement windows are an investment that pays off not just in comfort, but also in long-term cost savings. Built to withstand Houston weather, energy efficiency isn't just about temperature, it's also about durability. Casement windows are known for their sturdy construction and secure locking mechanisms. When closed, they lock tightly at multiple points along the frame, helping protect against wind-driven rain and sudden storms common in the Houston area. This secure fit also reduces drafts caused by strong winds, further supporting consistent indoor temperatures and improved energy performance. A smart upgrade for Houston homes. Whether you live in a modern home or a traditional Houston residence, casement windows blend seamlessly with many architectural styles. More importantly, they deliver practical benefits that matter in a hot, humid climate. By improving insulation, enhancing airflow control, maximizing natural light, and reducing energy loss, casement windows offer a smart, energy-efficient solution for Houston homeowners looking to improve comfort and lower utility costs. If you're considering a window upgrade, casement windows are a choice that works with Houston's climate, not against it.